Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subby, welcome back, and if you are new here, thank you for joining the family and you are welcome. So in today's video we are doing our basic makeup tools for beginners. I hope you guys will enjoy because I had quite a lot of you asking me like, Ndzally, what do you use this for? So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, you need an eyebrow pencil. um I think I have quite a lot of them, but you will need one like this, and I will advise you to use a brown one because it is beginner friendly. A black one can lead you to, drawing your brows and they look all scary and all that, and that's not what we want. We want to draw our brows, but at the end of the day we want them to still look all natural and all good. So you will need an eyebrow pencil to draw your brows. If you are a beginner, stay away from gels and other things. Try this and you'll thank me later. And secondly, you will need a concealer, and you need a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than you are, so that you can also use it for highlighting. We're trying to save money here. We're not trying to break our banks. You buy a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than you for concealing your brows and also for highlighting your face, your T-zone areas. So yeah. And then after you're done with your brows, like for brows you just need your pencil and your concealer. You need a foundation. For me pick up some of the foundations that I have. You need a foundation for you to do your brows. I have this one from Ndzally, and I have this LA Girl one. I also have this sticker from Signature. So I usually use the sticker to also highlight my, not really highlighting, for contouring my face. So yeah, this is what I use because as you can see, it is darker than my actual face. So you need a foundation, and you guys, I'm gonna be bringing you a video on how to actually choose the variety for your face. And for this, how do you choose a foundation according to your skin type? So that's one of the videos that will be dropping very soon. And then after applying your foundation, you will need to set your face. You can either use our banana powders or your translucent powder, or also you can use a compact powder. Like this is the Hawaii powder from Discount. This is a Discount brand. It's very cheap and affordable, and guys, the pigment is just so good, just for you to to set your face afterwards. And this one too for baking and also to set your face. And then before I forgot, before you apply your foundation, you will need a primer. So I forgot to sort of like tell you before that. Before foundation, it's a primer for your whole face so that you can protect your face. You just create that layer for the sake of your face, because you guys, makeup can ruin your skin if you don't take care of it. So yeah. And after that, you will need it's like I've already highlighted that. I use this sticker for contouring, and after highlighting after setting your face, you need to contour it, of which I use this, or also my eyeshadow palette. We are saving money, we're not breaking our bank. So this is the palette that I use for also highlighting and also contouring my face. You use the darker shade to contour your face, and then you use the lighter one to just set, and you use this as a highlighter. or this, because it's also light, and also, you know, for people who are light skinned. So yeah. And you also need a blush palette. So yeah, these are the blushes. These two are blushes and these are eyeshadows according to this palette. So yeah, and then you will need also your eyeliner. Guys, it's just that I don't have the pencil one. This is the liquid eyeliner, of which is not beginner friendly, but you also need an eyeliner. If you can't use this, you can either use this one. This is an eyeliner gel, of which I think it's beginner friendly, or you can use the stick one, like sort of like the pencil one. So yeah, these are the things that you need. And you also need a mascara for your face. So yeah, and this is another blush that I have. I just want to show you guys the pigment in this thing. You know, sometimes you just, I have this is I think this is Jet. I think this is a Jet brand. This is very pigmented. There is a lot of pigment in this thing, you guys. So let me show you something. I'm gonna swatch this. This is the it. This is the girl. So yeah, you will need like your blush, and you also need your eyeshadow palette. So you need your palette. Like, since you are beginning, you don't have to go all out there to buy, you know, those big palettes. You can get, you know, your palettes which are just small, and you can just use yourself, you know, without having to consider other people. You also need a setting spray, you know, to just complete the look, baby. This is my favorite part of doing makeup. So yeah, you need this. So also you will need brushes. Like, I have quite a lot of them. You will need your brushes. Don't mind the dirtiness because I was using them. You will need your brushes and your beauty blender, and yeah. And again, you will need maybe your thingy, your, what do you call this? What do you call this, you guys? What are this? Oh, you will need your eyelashes. Like, I really forgot. You need your eyelashes, you know, to just complete the look. This thing, guys, these things, they are the it, because they do the things, you know, they just complete the look. They make your face pop, you know, they just give your makeup that touch. So today I couldn't apply them simply because I lost my lash glue, of which you also need. I lost my lash glue. I don't know if I left it at home or what. So yeah, and you will need these tweezers just for applying your eyelashes. And all in all, you guys, you need to take care of your faces. Of now, I'm using this Care hydrating 3-in-1 facial lotion. It cleanses and it turns your face, and also moisturizes your face, and it's normal to dry skin. And I think my skin is dry, you guys, so that's why I'm using this thing, and it has been of great help. So what else do we need? We need our lipsticks. You need your lipsticks. You need your lipsticks, and this is a lip gloss, you know, for those days whereby you're not feeling your lipsticks. I have those days whereby, you know what, I'm like, lipsticks, I just need this. And this is the girl. that she thinks she is. This is a pep brand, of which is Image. But beside this one, you can also get some nice lip glosses like from Beauty Treat from this camp. They have this nice lip glosses, the ones that when you put, when you do this, like they take time to come out. So yeah guys, I guess that's it from today, and I hope all will enjoy and go get your things, so that when we start doing our makeups, you can take a jikwebeche and also do the things that needs to be done. And you guys, thank you for tuning in. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mwah.